What's up, guys? Today,
He's bald!
no. Okay, so guys, like I was saying, Ed and Company had a scare update. I mean, it's piñata update.
Oh wait, no, wait, it's not the K update. Oh shit!
I mean it's piñata update. Yes, so why the trees are gay?
The trees are gay.
You won't see so gay.
Buy me a guap one.
I will hug.
I want a guap.
I will hug the trees. I want the gayness. I got it.
Do you have a duck? I'm just kidding. Alright, give me a grappler and the bag.
Okay, can't you go remember?
Also, I want to know where the hell we're meant to go.
So I think they changed the chickens to piñata things. So first up, Ogre's place.
Get a gun then. Who the fuck the chicken? Let's get a gun.
It's not gonna name new items. Yes, there is, and there is.
Anything new?
Yes. And there's a
Piñata bat. That's it.
I'm gonna go and look at real quick. Of course, went. Okay. They changed the.
When you went in VR, your body started tweaking.
They changed the zip lines, and so that's pretty cool. Now where's the?
Looks the same.
Where's the bat?
I don't know.
Oh, there's the bat, and there's the new item. Oh.
Well.
No. Now for the team. No.
Oh, but.
Okay. What did this do? Go invent the seeds?
Zesty bat. Buy me one. I'm broke. Buy me one. Give me.
Stew.
Or if we kill the chicken with just this.
Imagine this is the only thing killed the new piñata chickens with.
Yeah, he's immortal to the rest of the items.
Let's go, guys. I have like the cough.
Right, let's do a challenge. Let's do a challenge. We're gonna kill the piñata monster, but with the piñata bat only.
Okay.
Also get a light just in case. Someone give me a light.
Okay.
You have one right there. Why don't we
Theo?
red?
When you hit me, my screen turned gay. Feel it. You are yellow. No, again.
Let me hit you. I want to see it.
Theo, what the question?
You turned rainbow. You turned
Theo?
purple. You're gay.
What does she still do the monsters now? Stop.
You're red. That's why she's red.
Guys, I was not expecting this update. So I would really no get the Ogre's place.
The gayness is taking over.
So they keep the fans. So that's pretty
Just
cool.
kidding. I'm not gay at all. Fans are gay. Kidding.
So I go. What?
You might want to look at this.
It's
What the fuck?
what the piñatas everywhere.
Big boy, I'm gonna ride him, but I wanna ride him.
Is that the Ogre's puppy? Miss, that's the Ogre's puppy or what?
Why did you jump on me? Gay!
Kill piñatas. Phil,
I think it's just a really big chicken.
no, you give me nuts.
I think it's just a really big chicken. Are they OG boys?
No, Phil, if you kill the chickens, just give you nuts.
I turned OG boy gay.
dead. Phil.
Revive me.
Guys,
Abby, revive me.
give me a second. Honey, get the Yogi boy off my tail. Go stand by. The mission safe be a mission safe. A mission safe. A stupid fear. Do with a bunch of piñatas. Then a Yogi boy. I'm gonna say do this.
See you.
Go on. You hit me with a game stick. So who killed this gay stick? The panel item gay stick.
Can't wait to go into a public lobby and make people gay.
Why? What the colours they turned into?
Oh, why is that so bad?
I don't know.
Hey, yo, what the fuck did I just say?
The white blonde. And so the chicken is still there. And
So long.
and the arm song. No, Phil, so told. Okay, what's the one?
I don't know where my body is.
Wait a second. Let me
Abby,
look up here.
where's my body?
There's no.
Oh! No! Take me with you, my body!
No! Phil, I died.
My body!
No! My brother. Oh, my brother. Yeah.
I'm respawning my body. What the fuck?
I'm respawning my brother.
What the hell was that?
Mrs. Samuel, did I stand here teleport?
Beans.
Yeah.
Beans.
Got my skate stick real quick.
Act like a ninja, just like crazy.
I was not expecting this update.
Act like a ninja, just like crazy.
Yeah, we gotta kill the gate monster here with the gate stick. The red light, green light.
What the fuck?
And still see the red light, green light. I feel gonna do something.
Act like a ninja, just like crazy.
I feel gonna do something real quick.
Act like a ninja, just
I
like
gotta do
crazy.
something.
I
I gotta do something.
Act like a ninja, just like crazy.
I feel gonna do something real quick. You okay? Okay. You're pink! You're pink!
I must kill myself now.
Go.
Murder me.
How much do you sell? Man, did you just clip out the sound machine? Oh, but no, you're up there.
How you just
A big guy that actually died. Thanks.
The gayest of the gays! The gayest of the gays is chasing me! Yeah!
Act like a ninja, just like crazy.
Yeah. Phil. No, guys, see if the parkour is like different. Yeah. Now that's speculated manhunt. Mr. Parkour different. No, the parkour is manhunt. So I think that's everything for the update. Oh yeah, they could do that. So
Can you get me some items?
yeah. Take this. Take this. Where are you? Okay. Show some of it.
You never hit me with the gate.
You take your gun. Take your coupler. Take your coupler. What now? Take your coupler. You will take your coupler, white one. Take that.
Oh shit.
Okay.
I hit me with it. Oh fuck. I thought I enjoyed that. But hit me, I'll be hit me.
Oh, short idea. Simmy's magical stick.
Yeah.
Please turn yellow.
Jimmy's magical stick.
Simmy's magical stick. And guys, the time we're seeing this video, that sort will be out. And then I'm gonna kill that big llama.
Can you give me a bag and the magical stick? The magical stick of Danish.
But like how it's on weapons. No, because you can make people gay for defense. Something.
No, it's more like a pacifist weapon. Just make people gay if they try to attack you. More like a pacifist weapon, like if someone tries to attack you, gay.
Yeah.
No. All the girls are jolly. All the girls are jolly. All the girls are
Is there anything different in this room? No. That's it. Go, go, kill it.
They're not seeing us right now.
It doesn't die. It doesn't die. I believe that now.
Everything runs.
Filmer.
Where we can grapple to the small ones.
But you can. You can. Also, this like nuts. I think guys found.
Abby, let me ride him. Stay still.
I think I found a running method.
Horsing! Onwards be horsing! Onwards be
So
horsing!
when you kill them, they get nuts. So I think I found.
Onwards be horsing! Horsing! Horsing!
I really go up. Egg.
Wait a sec.
Okay.
Over the bushes, okay?
Oh my god, it's gotta kill it. Sorry. I'm getting Why is everyone so gay? I want them to keep the llamas to be unique. No be a unique game. Okay.
I think the piñatas are part of the Mexican.
Yeah.
You should be the gay
It
stick!
doesn't die. It just
Gay.
gives nuts.
Gay. Hey, Abby, gay. Gay.
No, I'm collecting my free nuts.
I'm not getting any nuts.
Also, when you kill them, you see the nuts and you suck other side to pick it up. Myself pick it up.
Big one. Run!
Right, that rock almost hit me. Nothing when also we can grapple on the ogre's rock. Oh. Don't now I'm gobbling on there. No, but you could grab on the oldest one.
A bit.
Listen.
That's mine. The big one's mine. The big one's mine.
I will have the big chicken things. Hey, no, the evil chicken. Has the chicken things. Don't we need no half? I have the evil things. Oh my god, no. And. Onto the evil chicken we go. Also, first we need to locate where it is. So,
Looks like an absolute mutation one. My brother.
my brother.
Whoever you'd like to be like. Truth is you're gay. Wait, I can't do it. Whoever you'd like to be like. Truth is you're gay.
Come here. Don't we still have to see these things?
Jacket.
Yeah, we'll make a
Chicken.
And
Chicken jacket.
I'm gonna find the chicken and I hope.
Chicken jacket.
I'm just gonna find the evil chicken and I hope it's in the Lambo.
If he throws a rabbit, I swear to fucking God. How old are? Hello, fit. Wait, I'll be staying in this bush right here.
Oh.
You normal?
Any way to dupe it.
So
If
guys,
you give me that crossbow, I'll dupe it.
okay, that's all with the update if I miss
I'll
anything.
dupe
So
the
leave in the
crossbow.
comments.
There's new stuff.
And
Yo, I'll dupe the crossbow.
Hey, you wanna get
yeah,
big together?
since I'd say
Yo,
Guys,
how
does anyone want
to remember what I